Alrighty, everything seems good. Everything seems good. Welcome, 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 everyone. Good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me position myself in the camera here. I've seen that I have a tendency to move away from the camera, but everything looks good here. Everything sounds good. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope you guys are doing well. Stainsburg, first one in the chat there. Welcome, welcome, Stainsburg. Hope you're doing well, my brother. Hope you're doing well. Timothy Grootboom, what's up, Jeff? I'm all good, man. All good. Can't complain. Can't complain. Gold actually at a very interesting point in time over here. We can see at the 50% of Asia, price rejected that level break of structure. Price currently in the demand zone over here. We're also rejecting 33.35. So the question is, are we going to see further longs here, or is price going to break below this level? We are now also currently trading below the Asian range. So very, very interesting. I will say, guys, that gold has been a favorite. Gold has been a favorite. I came to my chart a little bit too late after that news. I wanted to get in right over there, and unfortunately, I missed that big drop. I also looked at GU today. I wanted to see some buys after retracement. I wanted to see price trade to this level over here, but as you can see over there, unfortunately, price had different plans. So we're gonna look at quite a few pairs here today. I want to change things up a bit as well. So yeah, let's hop right into it over here. First things first, let me just open some space here, and let me just take off the indicator real quick, and let's just look at the data for the week. Oh, it looks a bit messy in here. Okay, so you can see here is the weekly open. Price has not swept Monday's low. It has not swept yesterday's low, and also to today's low is also untested. So with that said, I will be leaning towards a more bearish gold, but I would love to see a retracement towards the upside before I look to take any shorts on it. So currently you can see with the structure. So internally we can see over here price has formed high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Price changed character over here. We can see price formed lower lows. We can see over here a flip came through. Price formed that high, and eventually you can see price then went bearish, right? Then after that flip, so with price taking out the daily high here on top, break of structure at that level. So for that reason, I will still be bullish on gold. But if we break below this level over here, then I will definitely start leaning more towards a short, especially also if we start trading towards the upside around this area, especially if we can have something like this happen, a straight push towards the upside, then maybe, just maybe, we might have an opportunity to short gold there at the daily high at 3355. So I haven't taken any trades here today, so I'm very, very excited to take a trade. Just want to see something here real quick. Yeah, you see there's no lower low made here yet. No lower low made here yet. So if gold, maybe we are still very early in the session. So if gold maybe does something like this with a clean break, change character, then maybe I will lean towards a long, something like that. But for now, let's wait it out and see maybe if the indicator even gives us something. Oh, look at that reaction. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, Nico, welcome, man. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. What's my opinion on the indicator lately, bro? I feel like it's still doing good even in this bullshit conditions. Yeah, bro, like the indicator is still performing. I mean, look at this gold trade. It's just, so I've taken a few stops from it, but it's also because I was blindly trading it, So I've always said, ever since we started trading with the indicator, we shouldn't trade it blindly. We should always use our own discretion. And unfortunately, that's not something that I did, So I kind of shot myself in the foot there. But it's still performing very, very good, bro. I have no complaints about the indicator. Honestly, guys, the day you guys see me stop showing this indicator on stream, then you must know that, like, okay, nah, I don't want to use it anymore, or whatever the case may be. But so far I am very, very happy with it. I won't lie. I won't lie. I'm very tempted for gold. I'm very tempted for gold over there. Okay, so Sahil said we must just stay away from Nasdaq for now. We'll still have a look at it. Maybe there's something we see that the indicator doesn't. Let's clear out. Oh, Asia lower swept nicely this morning. Yes, see, there was a beautiful trade this morning. Sure. But not this morning, this afternoon before the news. That was a beautiful trade. Oh, that would have been a beautiful trade. Okay, let's have a deeper look here. Let's flip to the 4 hour real quick. Oh, but we are still fighting this zone on the 4 hour. We still haven't broken above it. Let me go to the 1 hour real quick and see something. Okay, I have a buy limit here on gold. Let's see what's gonna happen. USD here real quick. Let's just see what's happening here. Let's just have a look. What? Wait, what? So I'll be bullish on USD based on that 15-minute closure. So if we can retrace to that level, I'll start looking for a long on USD. See if the indicator has anything. Oh, the indicator already gave the buy there for the day, and that's the exact same zone where I said a nice buy came through. Okay, so now we wait. My prop account is hovering around B. Is starting to get a breakthrough. What are you risking on your trades, and what's your risk reward? Okay. Let's see what else we have on the table here. Some other fees. Ooh. Okay, interesting. Same thing happening over here on US30. Let's go to the 1 hour here as well, just to have a look. Okay, interesting. I think Nasdaq will be the better one. I think Nasdaq might be the better one. Okay, that's Nasdaq. Set an alert like here. So once it hits that level, we'll just come back to it. And let's have a look at EU. Okay, price is still whole. Okay, I like. Okay, this I like. This I like. I won't lie. I like what I see. I like what I see. Most likely over here, same thing. I'll likely look at the Asia high for continuation towards the upside, but I don't think this is ideal. So trend line traders most likely went long here now. They most likely went long on this level with a stop loss like over there, you know. So there's my liquidity. So I wouldn't be surprised if market does this and then we get in. So then when market does this, they sell, and then there's new stops above that level for me. Let's see. Gold mustn't leave us. Not rushing it like last time. I used 0.5 for Nas and 0.05 for gold. No, but the thing is, Nico, you must look at it in percentages. Otherwise, like, you know, you're gonna be stuck like there for a long time. Oh, I don't know. Is that really calculated based on a percentage? Oh, is that percentage and I'm seeing it as lots? I could be confusing. Wait, Nico. Yes, what? Sorry, I'm a bit slow sometimes. Oh no, gold, man. Come back. Come back, Raza. Uh-oh. Alrighty, gold. Let's pull back nicely now. Let's play nice now. Let's play nice. Is gold in the blazers? We'll see. We'll see. It's coming. Let's do this. Let's manifest there. Where would I find that? Where would I find that? I go for it. TPs, resting $25 for F16 bullets in my 5k makes sense. Okay. I got you. Okay, makes sense. I would say up that risk, bro. That's what I did. And it became like easier also because then it's like you see yourself getting closer to your target much easier. Just run to the toilet quickly. It's almost time for the open. In the meanwhile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a fellow trader. Ik raak daarop goed de trades. Psychology goes this shit quick. No, bro. Like do it like this, né? Like up the risk, but you must like make a commitment to yourself that every day you're only gonna take 1 or 2 trades max. But you only take 2 trades if your first trade was a winner. You feel me? But then the thing is, you have to journal your trades and every night. You know why I say that? Because if you get like as je trade jags wordt, nee, as je trade jags wordt, en je moet het journal, then you're gonna have to sit with yourself and face yourself like that. And at some point, you're gonna hate the fact that you have to face yourself like that because you get trade jags. You see? So then you will know that like when you get trade jags, that oh damn, like I don't wanna see myself as a jags guy later on when I go journal. So maybe I shouldn't be jags, you know? That's a good way to describe it, bro. I'm gonna start giving that exact same piece of advice to everyone who asks me about it. Let me go through the tool quickly. Let me ask ChatGPT to do something quickly. Let me see if ChatGPT can be creative quickly. Let's see if we can create a motto around that. I like it, bro. I like it. Okay, let's see what AI is gonna cook up here. Yo, AI is funny. Yo. Okay. Are you guys ready for a poem? Okay, let me read you guys a poem. Let me read you guys a poem quickly. Okay, this poem is inspired by the terminology created by Nico called trade-jags. Nee? Okay, so AI says, 'n forex gedig vir die bra wat te lus raak. Jy sit daar met jou charts, so klaar en reg, MACD en RSI op die 4 uur weg. Maar dan kom daai feeling, daai itch in your hands. Jy lus om te klik. Alles niks in die plans. Just one more trade, sê jy in jou kop. Maar jy weet, die candle gaan jou skoon laat flop. Wait, what? Okay, I can't say that. Okay. I think AI is going a bit too far. AI is going a bit too far with it. We are tapped into that gold buy. I didn't ask AI to go explicit with the thing. Okay, but the beginning was cool. A gedig vir die bra wat te lus raak. Okay, so the ending is quite cool. Dus, trader vriend, hoor nou mooi. Moenie jags raak vir trade soos 'n tienerboy. Dis nie elke setup wat 'n kans verdien. Bly kalm, bly skerp. Laat die profits insien. Hey, AI. Now, like the middle part of that was a bit wild. But that's cool. Gedig van die bra wat te lus raak. That's cool. Wait. Let's try this. Okay, I see. Oh, Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq always at that level most likely. So Nas most likely at this level over here. Okay. Gold was tapped in. This trade should be a one-way trip to the upside, to the Asia. Oh, but we did tap the Asia high. Fuck. That's okay. It's okay. JLFX. Wat is stats? Is recht van jou, Jeff? It's the stats for the indicator. The stats for the indicator, the HomeRun Series. This indicator right over here. That is great. It started off so well and then it went down the gutter. No. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Okay. Let me read this one quickly before I start off here and then midway through. Yo, okay, that's quite good. By AI, that's quite good. JLFX, lekker meneer, het baie respect vir jou. Nou, hou net so aan. Dankie man, dankie. Ek waardeer dit bro, Even vir jou ook bro. Ek sien jou moves, ek sien die moves wat jy maak. Ek sien jou, ons mag dalk nie elke dag praat nie, but baie respect vir jou ook bro. Ons nie dinge wat reg is, jy weet. Oor tyd bro, onze tyd sal kom. Hou je net aan wat je doet bro. Ik zeg altijd voor allemaal, you never know who you inspire. That means that the people who watch you, they might not speak to you, they might not like everything, they might not view your stories, they might not, you understand? But you inspire them, and like, you know, even for me bro, like just seeing that you're also pushing, you know, you're not like out there like that. Respect bro. Okay, we're in blues on gold. Let's see how it's gonna play out. Okay, let's get that in. Okay, that's actually beautiful. That's the Asia high. If they can close above the Asia high, it will be beautiful, because then what I can do is I can just simply go break even in one go. Minimize risk or Okay, US30 is happening, yeah. Oh, but the thing is, the indicator. Okay, but that was a quickie. I wouldn't have been able to get in there. Oof. Het lijkt hectisch zo. Nasdaq is barely moving. Ja, zolang dat ik in die game maak, dan is niet weg van andere mensen af. We gotta make choices, bro. Gotta make choices, you know. Even this morning, I was fighting with another broker. You know, okay, I won't go too much into detail, but I've really come to realize that, like, how can I put it? Okay, let me put it this way. Some people might think, Brune, because maybe I don't post fancy cars and I don't go out to fancy restaurants and things like that and shit like that, ne? They might think that I'm desperate, you know, if they throw something at me, you know, which is completely, like, that's the biggest mistake they will ever make if they think that of me, you know. And like I always tell you guys, man, or like I always tell my chat, you know, I would never sell out my people, you know. So it's not always easy, bro, but especially when I'm doing alone, bro. I don't have a team, you know. I don't have a team. Like, the only people I do have, like, is Jason. Like, Jason would, like, help me, like, with certain things, like whether it's I need to get somewhere maybe and I need someone who's gonna be there to back me up or whatever the case, you know, he would be there. But now currently Jason is obviously getting married as well, you know, so he has a lot going on in his life. So once again, like, you know, it's like, you know, and it's fine because, like, Jason doesn't work for me, but I have so much respect for, like, you know, for Jason. This Nico as well. Nico, he asked me up, I mean, like helped me out so much. Bro, like, I can't describe, like, how difficult it is, man. But I do know, bro, when the time comes where everything I need falls into place. The fact that I've been doing this on my own, imagine what will fucking happen if I have a team behind me, you know? So I'm very excited, bro, and I also see what God is teaching me as I progress throughout this journey, you know. I know it sounds very cliche, everyone wants to say that, but, like, genuinely for myself, like, every time something happens, like, after it happens, it's like, oh damn, this was the lesson in this, you know, and it's like, I need to fix this about myself, and, like, and this, you know. So in the end, bro, it's like, this journey is so beautiful, man, you know. This journey is so beautiful. And that's what many people don't understand, bro. Like I always say, like, yeah, we're doing this for the money, but it's not all about the money. Yeah, definitely, bro. Like, I have like a lot of things I'm working on behind the scenes, and I'm not telling anyone about it because, yeah, you know, I've come to realize also, bro, that the evil eye is real. You know, the evil eye is real. People don't want to see you do good. I can make multiple examples of this. I'm not saying specifically now. Like you will know if you have true intentions for me. Let me put it this way. Let me put it that way. Man. You will know if you have true intentions for me. Like, you know how they say, ne, don't reveal all your plans to everyone. Ne? You know how they say that, ne? You know, ne, bro, when I passed my phase 2 with Neoma, ne, I obviously told my chat, ne, but the moment I told a few people in my family and listen to those words, in my family, ne, then that thing happened with Neoma. You know? Now, some might say, ne, Jevon, you're looking into it too deep, ne? Here's the thing, I always post my baby on my status and stuff, ne? I bring her on stream now and then. You guys know I bring her on stream now and then. It was also funny, one specific day, there's something that happened. I think it was either on that day or a day before or something like that. and I brought her on the stream, eh? And she was, everyone could see her and whatever the case, and all of a sudden, bro, she got sick. Now it's like, okay, Jevon, I think she's looking into it too deep. Then, bro, okay, I'm not gonna say who it is and what happened. Then there was a friend of mine also that something great happened in their life, and they posted about it. Bruh, I've really come to realize that certain things we must keep to ourselves. Like right now, the challenges I'm doing, I'm not gonna tell anyone how much it is. I'm not gonna tell anyone how far I am with it. You guys will just see when it starts happening, you know. I just want to see something as well because the thing also, I always feel so pressured. I always feel so pressured because, like I said now, like, oh, I don't have all these fancy cars, ever the case. So I feel so pressured that I must show up every day and catch a trade every day to show people that this is not luck. I can trade compared to other people. That's what I'm trying to say in the industry. So by me like having that pressure on me and like I must put myself out there, I must catch a trade, I must have the people make money. That shit took a toll on me so much, because then it's like you. And this is also one of the main reasons why I stopped like selling mentorship and stuff like that also, because I can't pour into everyone's cups if my cup is empty, you know. And this applies to like multiple things. You know, I'm so busy, I'm so busy sometimes, that I feel bad, because I'm starting to see that thing of like, oh shit, there goes your career, you get busy and you don't spend time with your kids. I'm not just that with my baby, you know. It's difficult, you know. Sometimes it really like it really takes a toll on me, but this is also why I said now, like, I want to take a step back now and do things differently. I just want to see something. I mean, I've been doing the same thing for a very long time, for years. Obviously, we've progressed forward, we've grown a lot and so forth. But then I also think to myself, if I didn't put all that pressure on myself and I just like really focused, where would I have been? And I'm talking now, and guys, like, when I say this, I'm talking about like, bro, you meet people, homeless people on the streets. You see where they are every day. You see their kids. You see what they go through. And it's like, in your mind also like, shit, like, you know that they are struggling. You know they are trying. So also like, you do everything in your power to also assist those people. There's your family. There's like, but then I had to tell myself, like, I have to take a step back. You know, and me, definitely. Yeah, you have to trust your gut, Jeff. Yeah, definitely. Hey, gold. The markets are moving so fucking weird. Yo. Okay, I'm stopped there in gold. I'm stopped. So the only thing I can do now on gold is I need to wait and see what's gonna happen, like around here. Are they gonna close below this level? And if they close below, then Asia highs becomes my point of interest. Right over there. What's another P we looked at? While we wait. Just look at EU real quick. Okay, EU still hovering around that level. GU. We didn't get into GU. Ooh. Okay, GU looks interesting. There we go. Yeah, nee, bro. That is the thing, bro. It's hard. It sounds so like thingy, nee, like but Jevon, you're a grown man. But like, bro, social media really, bro, it has. I think where I started taking pressure off myself was when my 13K TikTok account got banned, because then I was like, shit, like, But then also, like, by not being able to post as often like I did on TikTok, then it was like, okay, like, then I started realizing all these things. Yeah, bro, like I always think of like Andrew Tate, like think of Andrew Tate. There's a reason why that man blew up the way he blew up when everyone started hearing about him, because he took time to understand, he took time to master it, he took time to build, and that's one thing that's very, very difficult to do. But you see, we want to share a good thing with the world, but then you get the evil eye. The only advice I can give you is trust yourself, nobody else. Bro, I read a quote. When was it? Not last night, the night before. Because, yeah, I'm not gonna go too deep into that. I read a quote that said, walk on your broken foot. Leave no trail of your hand on anyone's shoulder. The reason why for that is because people will say they carried you. People will say they carried you while you have a broken foot. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, I don't know. Yo, guys, I won't lie. These markets are so choppy. They are so weird. Yo, look what gold did to me. Oh, this thing runs now, then I'm sick. I must really learn to do my analysis in a way that it doesn't interfere with other time frames, like something like that. So that's on me that way, so you know exactly what to do. Gold's on New York open price. Yeah, for me currently, nothing I can do. The thing is, like, it could easily drop down from here. Wait a sec. Okay, yes. But I wouldn't wanna sell from here either, because the Asia highs up there. I don't know, man. It's moving weird. And the Asia lows also untested. But if they can break below this level here, then I'll be more than happy to start maybe leaning towards a short over here in this area, because then this is the supply which caused the break. send someone a message here quickly, guys. Sorry, I just need to say take some screenshots here quickly. I just need to drop some receipts on someone quickly. I close gold now, so it should push up. So it push up. Our luck, bro. Our luck, Mos. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. You see, gold literally wicked me out. It literally just wicked me out. And of course, the one trade that I didn't take is running. Of course, of course, of course, of course. Damn, man. This one also missed by a. US30 1 hour flip incoming. Let's see. Ooh. No, I can't get involved here. I can't get involved. Whoa. This really sucks, man. I missed myself this morning, yeah. I missed myself, yeah. And the one trade I had to take now is it's a hit. It's okay. It's okay. What's EU gonna do? What's EU gonna do? Yo, shit hitting the fan, yeah, on my end. She's in the fan, yeah. Do you guys think we're gonna get a trade? Do you guys think we're gonna get a trade? I don't think so. I don't think we're gonna have a trade. I don't think we're gonna have another trade. After this whole move and I think the market has a different plan, yeah. Ooh, the 1 hour gave a sell, actually. Okay, so bearish. Bias is bearish, actually. Okay. What's the day? Today is Wednesday. Yo, okay. Okay. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen here. I want to see some sort of reaction. I want to see some sort of reaction that this wants to fail, so that I can execute from the Asia high. But we need to see that break below this level first, though. To see that break. Moore's a W pattern on gold. Yo, bro, I don't trust even W's anymore. I'll be very honest with you. I used to be Steve Moore over fuck, bruh. But the accounting levels just isn't the same anymore. Accounting levels just isn't the same anymore. There's nothing else that I'm looking at, because I've only been focusing on these speeds. Ooh, I know if you can look at. Maybe we catch a little something here. I think I have a few dollars there in my rev. Should be able to catch a little something. You see, this thing has been fighting here. Okay, we finally broke about, but I can't sell boom now because we broke about that level. I need to see boom travel now. I need to see boom move. I need to see boom right now. Okay, I need to see boom to the upside, so I can take booms. I almost said something. So I need to see boom trade to this level over here. They broke above. Okay. Let's see. Other crash fees. So you guys should know by now. Very simple how I trade them. I just have a glimpse at them and I know if I want to have a look at it or not. Now I have to now I have to do some admin on the speed quickly. Okay, so the 8th. Yeah, so leaning towards a beer, boom. Leaning towards a beer on boom. Quite a long way up. Quite a long way up. And let's just have a look at the Asia range here as well. So that is the Asia high. So even if they do slay super above it, this is boom, so I will still take it. So even if the market does something like this, where let's say this candle, once it gets here, even if that candle closes slightly above that level, then I will take that trade. You guys should know by now. Hierso. Trade ja, elke dag. I think I should really bring this back. What do you guys think? Should we bring back the synthetics? Because think about it, guys. On synthetics, we always had trades. We always had trades in synthetics, ne? And plus, ne? Plus. So we do synthetics, ne? So we do synthetics. Then we can do so that's currently we have boom 500 and boom 300. Then what I do is I can add boom 600. Oh, boom 600 actually gave a nice sell there. Nah, I think I must really come back to synthetics. I really think I should come back to synthetics. Ooh. Ooh, this thing actually moved very, very nice. Very, very nice. Tap that supply. So we are literally still at the Asia high. We can still have a pullback. We can still have a pullback. And then I would execute over here. Up until the weekly open. Ooh, 900. And mind, this is just our boom pairs so far. We currently have how many on here? We have 4 boom pairs. That's just our boom pairs. The reverse seasons, we make cuckloads of money for a couple of months, then suddenly only scams. Bro. True. Like literally, like I remember when I made my first 100k in 1 month on the Riv. It wasn't a good season. But I think also that was the season switch over, because when I went back and I looked at it, I would have had to wait like a few weeks for some decent trades again. So as long as we can keep that in the back of our minds this time, I think we can overcome. And you guys would know we only sell boom, only buy crash. I don't know how to feel about this one. Rather wait for this level. Somewhere around that point. $25 and we target that weekly open. 900 right there. So we have how many trades potentially? Boom 900, we have boom 600, and then we have boom 300. Yeah, for sell up here. $35 is good. I didn't walk out the level here. I did. Oh, this is gonna be a nice one. That's gonna be a nice one. That's gonna be a very nice one. Anything else happening on these markets? Nothing. Nothing. What's next on the table? Boom. 1,000. Cash on the flip side, I'd rather have good fish or good, man. I'm probably also gonna spot soon. The market's very dead. By the looks of things, I might just drop a shitload of analysis there in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord yet, get ready. I'm gonna drop all those boom tray ideas in there. I'm gonna throw all those boom tray ideas in there. Oh, we're gonna have to see some. We have to see the market do some magic here first. Either I'm gonna see a break below or break above, but this entire area right now I'm staying out of. It's a no-go zone for me. And then we can maybe just look at maybe a few crash pairs as well. So we have how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 10 crash and boom pairs, guys. If we just go back to the roof with that, like literally, like we have more than enough pairs. Hey. We gaan aan zo. Oh, hier komen die trades. Hier komen die trades. Shoo, looking at if all these trades activate and they all run and they're all in profit. All I want from you is a shitty Omoda 5. Okay? That's all I want. Okay, I'm gonna close the Forex pairs, guys. I'm gonna not look at any more Forex pairs for the day. Forex pairs for the day. What am I doing now, though? Okay, so guys, make sure that you join the Discord. I'm gonna drop a lot of analysis in there now for the synthetics. So get ready. Yeah, this thing is becoming more volatile. Oh, this is crash 300. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let me just save all of these pictures here quickly. Let me just save all of these pictures here real quick. And then guys, I'm gonna run one trade for me for the day. And I was stopped out, so the market's a bit choppy, so I'm not gonna force anything. Why is this freezing? Wait a minute. Okay, we didn't. Okay, the ref must fix the trading view. So yeah guys, like I said, I'm gonna gooien now. I'm gonna send you guys all this analysis of crash and boom. There's how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures on my synth now. I'm gonna go over the wrist, and then I'm gonna see that as well, so then we can just let each other know when it's time to get in, you know? Try to get as a family, like money gitu. That'll be nice, wouldn't it? Other than that, guys, much love, man, much love. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and for a better session with some more volume.